going on here?
Step aside, let me go out, please.
I get a one.
Who are you?
I get a one.
Go from my way now, let me go out. I have somebody to meet up with. What's the problem now?
After all I've done for you, you are so ungrateful.
You're mad.
Is it like smart?
Something is wrong with your head. Don't get me angry. I cannot explain this nonsense, so I really can't explain what is going on here.
I did outside the yard so they shout. I don't understand. Sosha, what's the problem now?
Mama Barrow.
Can I go to outside now?
Nobody's living here today.
Bro, how far?
Guy, I know if you explain. All these things started when I was sick.
Come on.
Madam, this is a very serious situation. As a matter of fact, he's going to need blood.
Just blood?
Yes, madam.
I will give him my blood.
You're giving me your blood.
Okay.
Since that day, I never get peace of mind. She don't drain all the blood which she give me, even comot the one with my body join. I don't understand.
God forbid.
What started today's problem is that she came to me saying that she wants to do a wedding.
Babe?
Yes, babe.
Oh, you're here. So I just finished talking to the wedding planner and the wedding dress are so nice. The bill is just 150 million.
The bill is about 150 million naira and you think it's fair. So how much are you contributing? Because as this country is built, you need to contribute.
Me contribute? Is my blood not enough?
Blood what? Who should be?
Okay.
Bro, just chill. Do you understand? You don't do your own part, just chill. Like I give her one or two.
Yay.
Trust me, and I mean now. Eh? Just trust me. Do you even know your worth at all? Your mates are out there receiving present treatment. Don't be say their papa na king go. You are here shouting with this babini where they drive camera. If you dress like this, go out there, you are coming back with brand new GL in Makachi. I swear. Eh? You have to let him know that you are the prize. You have to let him know that dating you is a big flex. Okay. So you have to go there now and let him know that any man who can spend 100 million on your wedding should clear. Hey! Do you understand? Go there and do your thing, babe.
Where are you going with your bag?
I'm leaving your broke ass. I know my worth. Any man that cannot take care of me should clear.
Onana member. I clear.
Oh my God!
I know you are crying, but I just want you to know that you can't meet another girl like me.